Okay, this week it's exciting. We're going to break out into different groups so there's more chance for me to interact with your student or interact with you because you should be watching this video, not just your parents. Up here, this is called the waffle. You gotta know your waffle. So there will not be a link on our classroom. To get to your meeting, you click here. And then you are going to go to your calendar. And look what's going to happen on your calendar. You will see all of your meetings. Now, I have a lot more than you do. You should have 2 or 3 a day. Monday, we're just doing our morning meeting this week. But starting next week, it's going to be all up 4 days except for Wednesday, where we all just meet as a class. So to get to your meeting, you click here and you go join with Google Meet, and it takes you right to the meeting. Okay? So that's one option. It's kind of the best because you can see what else you have coming up. The other option is you can go to the waffle and you click on Meet. And here it'll show you a list of your meetings. So this is my sample meeting. Now, when I click on this tomorrow, you saw I have a bunch more meetings. So it's going to show you how many meetings you have for that day, and you just click on and you join right in there. I will see you at our meeting today. Bye. Or actually, not today, Monday's meeting.